Yep, it looks good in there.
It does.
Yep, can't see those scratches anymore. So we did some color correction, especially up there in the living room as well. You notice help? Yep.
Yes.
Yes,
Over there where the recliner sits.
Yeah, where the recliner sits.
Well, we got new furniture coming.
That's perfect. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Yep. Got your thank you. Got your nice satin sheen on it. Yeah, all that missing color that was up there, can't even see it anymore.
That's right. Remember what the chair was?
Yep.
It looks great.
Thank you.
Fabulous.
So we'll be done in about 20-30 more minutes.
That's awesome.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is September the 17th. Man, we're almost out of September, guys. So anyway, we are out here in our first and only project of today. We are in a little town. It's about an hour and 20-minute drive from the shop, but actually we didn't have to go into the city. We went away from the city, kind of towards Greenville, South Carolina. So this is a little city called Royston. I actually have a good friend named Keith that I think he lives out here, but my client just told me, he said, Courtney, you're really at the borderline of Royston. So anyway, guys, this client found me online, never came out and did an in-home consultation. They booked their appointment based off pictures, which some of my clients do, pictures and also verbal information. We're going to be doing about 1,000 square feet screen recoat with UV cure and some Corian countertops. I rarely do Corian. I've done it maybe, this is probably my third time. Very simple process. Only thing about with Corian, you can't use high speed on it because you'll burn the material because it's a synthetic material. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so look at it, man. It is beautiful, nice and quiet. I can see, and especially as you get older, I can see why a lot of people want to get away. Guys, I hear roosters, okay? I can see why a lot of people like to get away from the big city. It is just so peaceful and quiet out here. So anyway, my client Jay, he's here. He said, Courtney, I'll just be around the house. And his wife Tammy is the person that found me. So anyway, we're going to be doing some red oak. We got very light wear. Just got to take the vents out. So these are the floors that we're doing. They got all the furniture moved out. See how like the little wear here. But it's not too bad though. But it is a perfect candidate for a screen and recoat. Then coming through here, through this kitchen area, coming on through here. You can see it's really worn. The poly is really worn right here because this is the high traffic area. Then we got this bedroom right here. Also have a lot of surface scratches. So we're gonna have Tavares pull those vents up. And while I start the screening, also have a lot of surface scratches up in here. So I want to start the screening. Let Tavares start doing these Corian countertops. All right. You can see these. So we're going to clean these and then reseal these right here. All right, guys. So it's not a big job. And again, so let me zoom in. See all that? See all that wear, all those surface marks. So get all those knocked out. Tomorrow, guys, slow motion tomorrow, which is good. I'm going to have Tavares wash the vans and also get the oil change on the Transit. And then Friday, we'll have a huge project Friday in Aqua screen and recoat with UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Truman hardwood, we keep it clean. One day recoat, make it shine and gleam. Countertops glowing, floors refined. One day of work, a lifetime shine. Shine it up, shine it up. One day's enough. Shine it up, one day's enough. Truman's touch, you can trust. We bring the glow, it's a must. Shine it up, shine it up. One day's enough. Shine it up, one day's enough. Truman's touch, you can trust. We bring the glow, it's a must. Reconditioning stone countertops too. From Atlanta to the coast, we'll refinish for you. With the jazz swing vibe and a hip hop flow. Truman's the name, everybody gotta know. Shout it up, shout it up. One day's enough. One day up, one day's enough. Truman's touch, you can trust. We bring the glow, it's a must. Shine it up, shine it up. One day's enough. One day up, one day's enough. Truman's touch, you you can trust. We bring the glow, it's a must.
Shine it up, shine it up.
One day's enough.
Burn it up, one day's enough.
Truman's touch, you can trust. We bring the glow, it's a must.
Shine it up, shine it up.
One day's enough.
Burn it up, one day's enough.
Truman's touch, you can trust. We bring the glow, it's a must.
One day Recoat, Truman, Hardwood, Countertop shine, it's understood. Jazz and hip hop, bring in the groove. Floor so smooth, yeah, we make a move.
Wood screen on the
One
floor,
day
also the
Recoat.
countertop. I'm about to polish it one more time, but I want to show my client
Countertop
before we put the
shine.
rag coat down how much better the floors look after the screening. Check that out, man. This is just after the screen. We ain't put the finish on.
So bright,
Truman Hardwood,
shine
Them all
so
those
bright.
highlights look worn. It has down to fresh
wood to
wood
the
now.
stone, we keep
Yep.
it divine. Reconditioning beauty one job at a time. Jazz in the
So I'm about
keys
to
with the
polish
hip
out
hop
the
flow.
countertop.
Kids in the
We've
choir,
already
let the
cleaned
whole
them,
world know.
buffed them, and I'm going to polish them.
One day
And then we're
Recoat,
going to coat it down.
floors look new.
Yes, sir.
Countertop shining, that's what we do.
Truman Hardwood, bringing the groove.
Bringing the groove,
Floor so smooth, yeah, we make a move.
yeah.
Truman Hardwood, bringing the groove. Floor so smooth, yeah, we make a move. When they say sand it, when they say replace it, Truman's here to show you. You don't have to waste it. Screen and recoat, bring back the glow. Courtney Lee, the best you know. We replace, why sand it down? Truman saves floors all around. Screen and recoat, that's the way. Shine like new in just one day. Don't sand, don't replace. Truman can save your space. Screen and recoat, floors look great. Courtney Lee, #1 in the state.
One day Recoat, floors look new. Countertop
Guys,
shine,
we're done.
that's what we do.
Oh, it's fine. I'm just doing my last video. My client was just showing me some of the things he do, and he also just gave us, he has a huge follow on TikTok. So he just gave me a video and a shout out on TikTok. I greatly appreciate that. All right, floors look great. All right, guys, another job well done. I will say too, man, the phone has been ringing a lot today. A lot of people, move-ins, move-outs, a lot of inquiries came in today for wood floors. So that's going to do it. And we're going to go ahead and wrap this thing up. Head back to Lawrenceville tomorrow, slow motion. So far, I do have a few inquiries that might be interested in tomorrow, but if not, it's okay because, like I said, we can still do some stuff around the office. I gotta place another order for inventory, get some more finish, get the oil change on the big truck, just clean up and stuff because we're Friday and Saturday we are back at it. All right, guys, see you in the next one.